Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record your Figma animations using Chrome extension called Loom. We search for it here and click on the first one. So I've already installed the extension and I've already logged in or signed up for the extension, and yeah, simply after installing the Chrome extension, we can see the icon here. So we go to our Figma page and click on present. So here we can see, wait a minute, oh yeah, we can see our Figma prototype animation. I click on next. Here I have my animation. I click on purchase. So here I can see my animation. It was simple as like that. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please consider liking and subscribing my channel.